Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how we can log out of our Snapchat account remotely. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. To sign out of your Snapchat account from all the devices that you think that you're currently logged in, open up Snapchat and first you just log into your respective account. Now you can see the Bitmoji avatar located at the top left of the screen. Go to that Bitmoji avatar right there. Once you've done that, on the top right hand side, you can see the gear icon which indicates the settings icon. Go to settings. Once you go to settings, over here, just scroll. The first option you want to look for is session management. The session management is where you will see all the browser or mobile devices or sessions that is currently logged into your Snapchat account using your details. So you can choose to remove these devices manually by tapping the X icon right next to it and hitting the OK button. Similarly, you can go ahead and remove all those devices if you prefer. That's the first way to do it. Now you come back and scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you see the option Saved Login Info. Under Saved Login Info, you will see all the devices that has saved your login information. If you do not want that to be the case, tap the minus icon next to it and choose to delete those devices that has saved your login information. A bonus tip I would also recommend you do is you try to change your password. So go ahead and then enter a new password, enter your current password to reset to a new one, and once you've done that, you've 100% confirmed that anybody who is logged into your Snapchat account are successfully logged out. So hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.